9 to ½ inch long and fits 2-inch hitchbox opening. 3-1/4 inch drop and 2-inch rise. 2-inch diameter ball size. 5/8 inch pin and clip. 5,000 pound capacity. The Reese Towpower Class 3 standard starter kits come complete with ball mount, hitch ball, pin and clip. Built tough for unparalleled strength, Reese ball mounts fight rust and corrosion with metal shield, a superior coating for years of protection from the elements. The chrome hitch balls are constructed of solid steel and engineered to meet all safety requirements. Top reviews from the United States. Levels trailer out nicely. 2019 Silverado towing a Base Tracker Pro Team 175. This 3 inches drop hitch levels out the trailer nicely, and I can barely tell the boat is back there, it pulls so easy. Hitch is plenty strong enough for a larger boat too.